$7,000 per month from a simple wall art design with low competition. This new seller on Etsy is already taking advantage of this demanding digital product. So if you're curious of how to start this similar business, keep watching as I show you how to use AI to craft this profitable digital product that can achieve similar results. This is a wall art design style inspired by Henri Matisse. Turned out to be quite profitable when I researched on it using Alura keyword research tool. And I discovered that it had low competition. But what really amazed me was when I find out that a single design generated $30,000 in the last 12 months and over $100,000 in total revenue. Or how about this other listing that made $11,000 in 12 months and over $100,000 in total revenue. So imagine adding this design to your listings or starting an Etsy shop that solely sells this type of designs. For example, a store with only 130 listings has already generated over $100,000 in total revenue and has currently made over $3,000 in total sales just by selling this unique wall art digital product. Now, to generate this high quality design with AI, you need to write a prompt. And I've discovered 3 methods for this. The first is creating the prompt manually, the second is automating the prompt creation process, and the third is an effortless option that bypasses the need for the first 2 methods. In the first method, I usually go to the thumbnail section to get an inspiration of what to include in my prompt, which is by looking for an easy image I can describe. Once I find one, I describe my prompt in this format to keep it simple: customization, subject, and style. And if you generate this is what you get. But since you want to quickly add more product to your store, you don't have to manually write prompt for every product. Instead, you automate this process using ChatGPT, which happens to be the second method. First, I'll ask ChatGPT to provide variations of the prompt I created earlier, and ChatGPT won't disappoint. But for this method to be effective, you need to be good at creating the initial sample prompt for ChatGPT to create accurate variations. But to make this process effortless for you, I've done the heavy lifting by creating 100 prompts based on top-selling designs in this store you can use to quickly jump into this business. All you have to do is simply copying and pasting them in an image generation platform without worrying about the prompt creation process. And all thanks to Brenda, Timothy, and Valerie for making this possible. Now, to generate this prompt, we have an excellent platform like Midjourney that can provide accurate results. However, for those who ain't ready to pay for Midjourney monthly plan, let me introduce 2 free alternatives that can deliver perfect results. The aim here is to generate this prompt on both platforms and let you decide which one performs best. I began with CGDreams, which provide results similar to Midjourney and with the advantage of offering unlimited styles to experiment with. However, in the free version, users can only generate 2 images at a time. Now, after pasting my prompt, I changed the aspect ratio to portrait and the result was amazing. And for the second alternative, which is Leonardo AI, and it happened to be the best Midjourney alternative. In the free version, you get 150 tokens to use every day for image generation. Once I was in, I pasted my prompt, then changed the aspect ratio for portrait layout. Now, putting these results side by side, which do you think performed better? And since you are designing wall art, we ensure that this AI generated result matches one of these design sizes offered by a competitor. To achieve this, I will use Canva to create a custom size based on one of these dimensions. Then I will import and scale my design to fit the frame. Additionally, I may add the style of the design as text. Once I am done, I will export the design as PNG or JPEG file. Now, if I put our competitor's image side by side with this, you'll notice we just created a similar potential digital product. And for the final tip, here's a crucial piece of information about wall art designs. Always remember to export your design to resonate with all these sizes, but you don't necessarily need to design one for every size. Instead, focus on creating one for the largest size in different ratio. With this, customers can scale it down to their preferred size. And since this design will be printed out, it's advisable to use external upscaling platform to avoid pixelation. I recommend this platform called Vectorizer or Remini from Google Play Store for this. Finally, I hope this information was able to convince you on a potential product that can make a lot of sales. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.